2023 was the year in which the Foundry of Ideas produced a number of videos that we hope have been easy to understand and easy to replicate our presentations. We are now fast approaching Christmas, and New Year is only a few days away, so I think it is appropriate for us to say a very big thank you to all our supporters and all our subscribers who have made the channel bigger and better. In this time of the year, it is appropriate for us to say a big thank you to all of you and wish you a very happy Christmas and a very prosperous new year full of good health, and I hope to see you in 2024 when we have some very exciting new projects coming up, like for instance a mobile bench for the table saw, a sled for the table saw with some really clever new ideas, and a mobile router which is especially designed for all those who may be a little bit pressed for space. Having said all that, let me finish here by saying once again thank you to all of you, Happy Christmas and a very happy New Year.